Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the beginning of the new course that I am creating. It's AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator. Many of us, or many of you guys who are new to Azure or who are starting their cloud computing journey, would have to go with the cloud fundamentals and the AZ-900. I've also created a series on that as well. You can check the playlist in my channel. And after that, you can go ahead with AZ-104 to start your journey for the Azure cloud computing. In this, we will cover topics regarding manage Azure AD identities, manage subscriptions, manage the governance, manage Azure Resource Manager, and using the portal, using the PowerShell, using the CLI, implementing virtual networks, inter-site connectivity, network traffic, Azure storage, virtual machine, web apps, and your Azure Kubernetes services, data protection and monitoring. So I will make around not more than 15 videos for this particular AZ-104 because many of this would be covered in my other video playlist as well. So please do not forget to watch this series and then you can take over to AZ-203 and any other series, AZ Microsoft Azure beginner playlist as well. So stay tuned and I will upload more videos in the coming days. Till next time, have a good day. Bye bye.